Consider Shopify point of sale against Lightspeed point of sale. We shall begin by discussing email carts. You may start a customer cart in store and email it to them so they can finish their purchase online using Shopify POS, ideal for hesitating consumers or large ticket transactions. Lightspeed does not provide this functionality. Next, did you know Shopify POS supports an infinite number of registers? Lightspeed charges an additional price per register in your store, in addition to your monthly subscription fee. You may have an infinite number of registers at each location on Shopify by installing the Shopify POS software on as many devices as you require. Shopify is now a totally configurable point-of-sale system. Using a customizable interface, you can speed up checkout by putting best sellers, often used discounts, and regular chores at your fingertips. Lightspeed's processes cannot be changed, thus you must adapt to them. Let's move on to inventory locations. To learn more about Shopify POS, visit the link below. Shopify provides inventory storage sites. They can be used in retail stores, warehouses, or pop-ups. Because Lightspeed's plans cover just one retail location, controlling inventory at places other than your shop necessitates an upgrade. Shopify point of sale has an infinite number of SKUs. You may add an infinite number of goods to your Shopify POS and website. Lightspeed restricts the amount of goods you may sell in store and online with variations counted against your total. I believe we should speak about internet markets. With Shopify's options for selling on marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and others, you can reach new audiences and increase your sales. Because Lightspeed does not have access to these sites, you must handle various logins, online orders, and inventory. Following that is local delivery. Shopify provides the tools you need to deliver online orders to nearby clients, from route planning to delivery updates. To provide this easy option for consumers, you must utilize a third-party add-on on Lightspeed. Overall, Shopify POS is a wonderful option for a well-rounded point-of-sale system. To chat with a Shopify professional right away, click the link below.